Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this error on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, just right click here, select run, then type here GEMP and click on OK. Then on this window we need to select all these files, right click on it and select delete. So after that, close this window, then right click here, select task manager, then click on run new task and then select browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive. Now we need to open Windows folder, then find out System32 folder, double click on it to open it, and here we need to find out cmd.exe file. So just scroll down and here you will get it. Select it, click on open and check this box, create this task with administrative privileges, and then click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands and type them, hit enter to execute them. We need to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and simply hit enter to execute this command. After that, type ipconfig /renew and hit enter. Then we need to type netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Then type exit to close the command prompt window. In the next step, simply go to search bar and type here control panel, then click here to open it. Now select view by as category and then click on network and internet, then click on network and sharing center. After that, click on change adapter settings, right click on your internet connection and then select properties. Then on this window we need to select the IPv4 and click on properties. Make sure you have to select this option, then type these addresses 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. After that, click on OK and close all windows one by one. Now simply right click here, select run. This time type in %10%. This will be the last process to fix the problem. After that, just select all these files in the temp folder and right click on it, select delete all the files, and once done we need to simply restart the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.